Alright, so I get a lot of questions on this exhaust. What kind of exhaust is that, bro? What kind of exhaust is that? What's your exhaust setup? So I'm here to set it straight and give you all the answers. Maybe why you're asking is because it sounds good. Let's cut to the footage from the dyno. So, I really don't know the setup because I didn't put it on. It was here when I bought it. But here's what I'm told. It's an eBay muffler with a res delete. Greg's Depot commented and said it had an aftermarket resonator on the section 1 side, helping tame the rasp. Thank you, Greg. So, let's take a look. Alright guys, so here is the muffler. It's a I don't know. I can't even pretend to tell you. This is what it looks like. No markings. But if anyone has any idea what it is, please tell me. Another angle. So moving on from the muffler, oh, and this is an aftermarket resonator over here. You see those welds? Those aren't factory. Pretty ugly, but that's an aftermarket. Now, I can't quite see those headers, so should we take this plate off? Me thinks yes. It's got a lot of bolts, I don't know how long it'll take, but I kind of want to take a peek at it. Do you? That was a yes. Alright, let's take a peek. Bummer. These are just the standard US headers. Nothing fancy. Did I tell you guys that there was a rumor this had Euro headers? Well, it doesn't. And I figured it didn't. That didn't factor into my decision to buy it. Does make me wonder where that extra little power is coming from. But whatever. See, I know these are US headers because of this helpful post from Black20 on Bimmer forums. See? US factory headers. US factory headers. Same thing, ladies and gents. Same thing. Alright, so that's the story on the headers. Sorry I don't know a lot. I wish I could be like, oh yeah, that's a blah 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 followed by a blah 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 blah. But I'm just learning. So if you know what you see under there, if maybe something sticks out to you, then you can tell me and we can learn together. Or I can learn, you can teach me. Anyway, that's the story on the headers or the whole exhaust. So if you have questions on, hey, what exhaust is this? What exhaust you running, bro? I'm running that exhaust. Sounds good, works good, puts out some power, so I'm happy about it. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you soon.